My notepad window, is it visible to all? Okay. So I think I have to start. Today I would like to focus on our both sorting techniques, and those are first one is insertion sort and another one is shell sort. Okay. So first I would like to focus on insertion sort. Okay. Uh, then I will explain uh, shell sort. Basically, what is the concept of insertion sort? Okay, in insertion sort, first we accept an array of n elements. Suppose those n elements are 5, 3, 4, 2, 1. Okay, suppose these are the elements. Okay, and I would like to sort it according to insertion sort. In insertion sort, the concept is in insertion sort, el- in insertion sort, elements at each step, element get inserted at its proper position. Once again I repeat, suppose these are the number 5, 3, 4, 2, 1. What do you mean by insertion sort? In insertion sort, each element at each step, every element get inserted at its proper position. For example, suppose these are the number, this is the element at 0th index, element at first, element at second, third and fourth. Okay, these are the indices. Okay, now see what happens in step one. Okay, in step one what happens initially, now in step 2 what happens? Okay, we take another element. First we accept, in step 1, first element it becomes as it is 5. Then in step 2 what happens, we consider second element. Now second element is 3. Okay, second element is 3. Now this 3 is compared with this 5. 3 is less than 5, therefore we insert 3 at 0th index and then 5. Okay, next. Next is what? Step 3. In step 3 what happens? Okay, initially, uh, uh, we consider next element, fourth. Again this 4 is compared with 5, it is obviously less than, therefore again 4 is compared with 3, it is greater, therefore 3 is inserted in between 3 and 5. Therefore it becomes 3, uh, it becomes 4 and it becomes 5. Okay, next step is what? Step number 4. Okay, in step number 4, uh, we take another element is 2. This 2 is considered with 5, it is less than, therefore again it is compared with this, again it is less than, again 2 is compared with this 3, again it is less than, uh, therefore uh, 2 is kept at 0th index, then 3, then 4, then 5. Okay, and last step is nothing but it is step 5. In step 5 what happens, we take another element, next element is 1. 1 is compared with 5, it is less than, obviously. It is compared with 4, again it is less than, it is compared with 3, again it is less than, again it is compared with 2, again it is less than, therefore 1 is kept at 0th index. Okay, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. So here insertion sort. See, in insertion sort, at at each step, element get inserted at its proper position. Okay, once again I repeat, in insertion sort, At each step, element get inserted at its proper position, just like in how many steps are required for insertion sort? There are n. If there are n elements, we require n steps. Okay, at each step, element get inserted at its proper position. Okay, initially our a of 0 is 3, it becomes as it is. Okay, in step 2, we consider this element 3. 3 is compared with 5. Obviously 3 is less than 5, therefore it is inserted uh, before 5. Therefore a of 0 becomes 3, a of 1 becomes 5. Next element is what? 4. Now 4 is compared with 5, it is less than, so it is inserted before 5. Again, first I compare 4 with 5, it is less than. Again I compare 4 with 3, it is greater than. Therefore 4 is kept in between 3 and 5, it becomes 3 4 5. A of 0 becomes 3, a of 1 becomes 4, a of 2 becomes 5. Next is what? Next element is nothing but it is what? Mm, it is 2. Therefore 2 is compared with 5, it is less than, it is placed, it is inserted before 5. Again it is compared with 4, again it is inserted before 4. Again it is compared with 3, again it is inserted before 3. At a of 0, therefore 2 is inserted before 3. Therefore at a of 0 there is 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. Next is what? 1. Okay, in case of 1, it is 1 is compared with 5, it is less than, uh, therefore it is inserted before 5. Again it is compared with 4, it is less than 4, again it is inserted before 4. Again it is compared with 3, again it is compared with 2. Therefore at a of 0 there is 1, then remaining element. Are you getting me or not how actually it is working? Hello everyone, are you getting me or no? What is the concept of insertion sort? In case of insertion sort, an element get inserted at its proper position in each and every step. Okay, once again I repeat with this concept with another example, because if you are well familiar with the concept of insertion sort, then only definitely you will get familiar with the concept of shell sort. Okay, now again I move towards the example. Again suppose I am taking elements like 15, then 0 it becomes then 10, then suppose I am taking 10. Okay, so in step 1, see what happens. This is the array. uh, in step 1, okay, initially first 13 becomes as it, sorry, 15 becomes as it is. Okay, because we first consider this element, there is no element to compare for 15, therefore we uh, take 15 to a of 0 as it is. Okay, next is what? In step 2, in step 2 what happens? Okay, I consider another element, it is 13, and it is compared with 15. 13 is less than 15, therefore 13 is inserted before 15. Therefore it becomes 30. At a of 0 there is 13, and then there is 15. Okay, next next is nothing but it is step 3. Okay, in step 3 what happens? We consider next element 4. 4 is compared with 15, it is less than 15, therefore it is inserted before 15. Again 4 is compared with 13, 4 is less than 13, therefore it is inserted before 13. Therefore it becomes 4, then 13, then 15. Okay, next we go to step number 4. In step number 4, there is element 12. 12 is compared with 15. Obviously 12 is less than 15, therefore it is inserted before 15. Again, mm, uh, uh, 12 is less than 13, therefore it is inserted before 13. Again 12 is compared with 4, but it is greater, therefore 12 is inserted in between 4 and 13, so it becomes 4 Okay, then 12, then 13, then 15. Okay, and last step. In last step, what happens? In last step, okay, uh, now again 10. 10 is compared with 15, it is less than 15, therefore it is inserted before 15. Again 10 is compared with 13, it is less than 13, it is inserted before 13. Again it is less than 12, therefore it is inserted before 12. Again it is less than 13, therefore it is greater than 4. Therefore in step 5, 10 is inserted in between 4 and 12, so it becomes 4, then 10, 12, 13 and 15. Are you getting me or no how it is working insertion sort? Because if you are well familiar with this technique, then only you will be able to understand the algorithm. Okay, now can I move towards the algorithm? Hello, can I move towards the algorithm? Okay, fine. Now I write algorithm. Okay, suppose here algorithm. Okay, suppose we have given call to insertion sort. In insertion sort, okay, suppose I have passed a array of size n. Okay, then here I am writing algorithm. Okay, here for I equal to 1, I less than n, I plus plus. Okay, and here I start uh, jet loop. Okay, initially I write, I assign the value to j, and this j is nothing but it is equal to firstly I minus 1. Okay, initially mm, I take t, it is equal to a of I. Okay, uh, then again I write j equal to I minus 1. Okay, and here I write j loop. Okay, for sorry, file this t is less than a of j. Okay, and another condition, if j is greater than or equal to 0, here I write the code like a of j plus 1 equal to a of j, a of j minus 1 equal to a of j, and I decrement the value of j minus minus, that is j equal to j minus 1. Okay, then I complete this while loop. One more step here, t. Okay, then this is end of this ith loop, and this is end of the function. Okay, this is end of the function, this is the algorithm. Okay, consider this algorithm. Okay, uh, for I equal to 1, I less than n, I plus plus. Okay, I explain this code. T equal to a of I, j equal to I minus 1, while there are two conditions: t should be less than or equal to a of j, and j should be greater than or equal to 0. If this is so, this is body, and then a of j plus 1 equal to t, end of I loop, this is the function. Okay, now see how it algorithm works. Suppose this array I have taken. Okay, in this case, size of n is nothing but it is equal to 5. Okay, in this algorithm, okay, uh, this is a of 0. A of 0 is nothing but 15, a of 1, a of 2, a of 3, and a of 4. Okay, now see, initially I equal to 1. Okay, I equal to 1. We check whether I is less than 5. What is the value of I? 1. Is it less than 5? Yes. Initially I equal to 1, we check whether I is less than n. 1, is it less than 5? Yes. T equal to a of I, that is t equal to a of 1. uh, a of 1 is nothing but it is equal to 5. Okay, so t equal to a of 1, that is a of 1 is nothing but this is the 13. Okay, then j equal to I minus 1. What is the current value of I? 1. Now j equal to 0. Okay, once see initially I equal to 1, I equal to 1. We check whether 1 is less than 5. Yes, 1 is less than 5. T equal to a of I, that is t equal to a of 1. So this value is nothing but a of 1. I have assigned to t, t becomes 13. J equal to I minus 1, I value is 1, 1 minus 1 0. Now j is set to 0. We have to check this condition whether value of I is it less than a of j. What is the value of j? A of 0. A of 0 is nothing but 15. Okay, and what is t? T is nothing but a of 1. So whether 13 is it less than 15? Yes. And whether value of j is it greater than or equal to 0? Yes, the value of j is 0. That is both the conditions are true. Therefore a of j plus 1 equal to a of j, means a of 0 plus 1, a of 1 equal to a of 0. A of 0 ची जी व्हॅल्यू आहे 15 ती a of 1 becomes 15. Okay, j minus minus j becomes minus 1. Again we check condition, but in while loop we want both the conditions as true. Now j becomes minus 1, so this condition is false. We come out from this while loop. A of j plus 1 equal to t, means minus 1 plus 1 0. A of 0 equal to t, that is a of 0 equal to 13. So are you getting me or no? Hello, are you getting me or not? Once again I repeat, द कोड इज व्हेरी सिम्पल. कोड खूप सिम्पल आहे, व्यवस्थित लक्ष द्या. इनिशियली काय केलंय, आय इक्वल टू 1. ओके, इथं मी लिहितो एका साईडला लिहितो. ओके, आय इक्वल टू 1. व्हॉट इज द करंट व्हॅल्यू ऑफ आय? आय ची करंट व्हॅल्यू आहे 1. ओके, त्यानंतर आपण चेक केलं वेदर आय इज लेस दॅन एन. 1 लेस दॅन आय का 5 पेक्षा आहे. आतमध्ये आलो, आतमध्ये काय केले, टी इक्वल टू ए ऑफ आय. ए ऑफ आय म्हणजेच काय, ए ऑफ 1. ए ऑफ 1 ची व्हॅल्यू टी ला असाइन केली. ए ऑफ 1 ची व्हॅल्यू म्हणजे कुठली, 13. ती टी ला असाइन झाली, म्हणजेच टी मध्ये व्हॅल्यू किती आली, टी मध्ये व्हॅल्यू आली 13. ओके, परत जे इक्वल टू आय. आता आय ची करंट व्हॅल्यू किती आहे, 0. म्हणजे जे ची व्हॅल्यू किती झाली, आय मायनस 1, दॅट इज 1 मायनस 1. जे ची व्हॅल्यू झाली 0. ओके, जे ची व्हॅल्यू झाली 0. ओके, वन्स अगेन आय रिपीट. हे बघा, आय इक्वल टू 1, आय इक्वल टू 1. कंडिशन चेक केली. आय लेस देन आहे का एन पेक्षा, 1 लेस देन आहे का 5 पेक्षा? यस, 1 लेस देन आहे. आतमध्ये आलो, टी इक्वल टू ए ऑफ आय. म्हणजेच काय, टी इक्वल टू ए ऑफ आय म्हणजेच ए ऑफ ची व्हॅल्यू 1 आहे. ए ऑफ 1 ची व्हॅल्यू टी ला असाइन झाली, म्हणजे ए ऑफ 1 ची व्हॅल्यू कुठली, 13. टी मध्ये आलं 13. जे इक्वल टू आय मायनस 1, 1 मायनस 1. कारण आय ची करंट व्हॅल्यू 1 आहे ना, 1 मायनस 1. जे मध्ये व्हॅल्यू आली 0. ओके, आता चेक करा व्हाईल वेदर व्हॅल्यू ऑफ टी इज लेस दॅन ए ऑफ जे. व्हॅल्यू ऑफ टी म्हणजे काय, 13. लेस दॅन आहे का ए ऑफ 0 पेक्षा? जे ची व्हॅल्यू 0 आहे ना. ए ऑफ 0 ला काय, 15. येस, कारण ही व्हॅल्यू आपण टी मध्ये घेतली. आपण चेक केलं बाबा ही व्हॅल्यू लेस दॅन आहे का याच्यापेक्षा? येस. अँड वेदर जे ची व्हॅल्यू ग्रेटर दॅन ऑर इक्वल टू आहे का 0 पेक्षा? ऑब्विसली इक्वल आहे. म्हणून इथं काय केलं, ए ऑफ जे प्लस 1 म्हणजेच ए ऑफ 0 प्लस 1 म्हणजेच ए ऑफ 1 ला असाइन केला ए ऑफ 0. ए ऑफ 1 ला असाइन केला ए ऑफ 0, म्हणजे इथं किती आलं बघा, 15 आलं. ए ऑफ 1 ला आलं का 15. परत काय केलं, जे मायनस मायनस, जे डिक्रीमेंट झाला, जे किती झाला आता, -1 झाला. 0चा -1 झाला. आता कंडिशन चेक करा, बट ही कंडिशन फॉल्स असेल, कारण दोन्ही कंडिशन ट्रू लागतात. त्यामुळे आपण व्हाईल लूपच्या बाहेर येणार आणि खाली काय केले, ए ऑफ जे प्लस 1. जे ची करंट व्हॅल्यू काय, -1 प्लस 1 ऑफ 0 इक्वल टू टी. ए ऑफ 0 ला टी दिला, म्हणजे ए ऑफ 0 ला आलं 13 आणि इथं आलं 15. समजलं पहिलं इटरेशन. आता काय इन्क्रीमेंट होईल, आता काय इन्क्रीमेंट होईल, कोणाची व्हॅल्यू इन्क्रीमेंट होणार, कोणाची व्हॅल्यू इन्क्रीमेंट होणार? आर यू गेटिंग मी ऑर नो? The value of I get incremented. Okay, the value of I get now incremented. I becomes what, 2. Okay, now here I update right now. This is a of 0, this is a of 1. a of 2 ला तर ह्या व्हॅल्यू ऍज इट इजच आहेत ना. आपण पहिल्या इटरेशन मध्ये काय केलं, 13 कम्पेअर केलं 15 बरोबर. 13 लेस दॅन आहे, त्यामुळं ए ऑफ 0 ला आलं 13, ए ऑफ 1 ला आलं 15. ओके, आता ए ऑफ 0 ला 13, ए ऑफ 1 ला 15, रिमेनिंग काय, ए ऑफ 2 ला 4, देन ए ऑफ 3 ला 12, ए ऑफ 4 ला 10. ओके, आता पुढे काय झालं, आय इन्क्रीमेंट झाला, आय बिकम्स व्हॉट, आय बिकम्स 2, आय ची व्हॅल्यू किती आली, 2 आली. ओके, आता आय बिकम्स 2 चेक करा, 2 लेस दॅन आहे का 5 पेक्षा, यस 2 इज लेस दॅन 5. आतमध्ये आलो, 2 इक्वल टू ए ऑफ आय, म्हणजेच टी इक्वल टू ए ऑफ आय म्हणजेच काय, ए ऑफ 2. ए ऑफ 2 म्हणजेच काय, 4. टी मध्ये काय व्हॅल्यू आली, टी मध्ये व्हॅल्यू आली 4. ओके, आणि टी मध्ये व्हॅल्यू आली 4. आय मायनस 1, व्हॉट इज द करंट व्हॅल्यू ऑफ आय, 2 आहे. जे मध्ये व्हॅल्यू किती आली, 1 आली. ओके, आता चेक करा, व्हाईल वेदर टी इज लेस दॅन ए ऑफ जे, व्हॉट इज द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ टी, 4. 4 लेस दॅन आहे का ए ऑफ 1 पेक्षा, ए ऑफ 1 ला काय 15, येस इट इज. अँड वेदर द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ जे इज ग्रेटर दॅन ऑर इक्वल टू 0, येस इट इज ग्रेटर दॅन, कंडिशन ट्रू आहे. म्हणजेच आपण काय चेक केलं, बाबा हा 4 कम्पेअर केला 15 बरोबर, तो लेस दॅन आहे का, येस आहे. म्हणून काय केलं, ए ऑफ जे प्लस 1 म्हणजेच ए ऑफ 1 प्लस 1 म्हणजेच ए ऑफ 2 ला काय आला, ए ऑफ 2 ला काय आला, ए ऑफ जे म्हणजेच ए ऑफ 1. जे ची व्हॅल्यू 1 आहे ना, ए ऑफ 1 असाइन झाला ए ऑफ 2 ला, म्हणजेच हितला जो 15 होता तो इथं आला. ओके, then j minus minus the value of j, it get decremented, it becomes now 0. Again we check whether value of t, that is 4, is it less than a of 0. ठीक आहे, आता 4 आपण कम्पेअर केला 15 बरोबर, लेस दॅन आहे, त्यामुळे 15 आला या इंडेक्सला. आता परत आपण 4 कोणाबरोबर कम्पेअर करतोय, 13 बरोबर कम्पेअर करतोय. 4 इज इट लेस दॅन ए ऑफ 0, येस. अँड whether the value of j, is it greater than or equal to 0, yes, both the conditions are true. Therefore a of j plus 1, that is, what is the value of 0, a of 0 plus 1, that is a of 1 equal to a of 0. Therefore this 13 comes here. J minus minus, again the value of j, it becomes minus 1. Whether minus 1, when j becomes minus 1, this condition is false, we come out from this bracket. Again a of j plus 1, that is minus 1 plus 1, 0. A of 0 equal to t, a of 0 becomes 4. So it becomes 4, 13 and 15. Are you getting me or no? Hello everyone, are you getting me or not? Okay, so this finally, again, uh, again the value of I get incremented. Now what is the value of I? Again value of I get incremented. What is the value of I? What is the value of I now? What is the value of I? 3. Okay, again the value of I, therefore now I becomes 3, I becomes 3. We check whether 3 is less than 5, yes, 3 is less than 5, condition is true. Now t equal to a of 3, a of 3 is 12. Again a of t becomes, it becomes now 12. Okay, j equal to I minus 1, so j becomes 2. Therefore this 12 is okay, we check while t is less than a of j, what is t, 12, is it less than a of 2, a of 2 is nothing but 15. Yes, condition is true, and this is condition also which is true. Therefore that is, this 12 is compared with 15, it is less than. Therefore mm, uh, a of j plus 1, that is a of 2 plus 1, that is a of 3 equal to a of 2. The value of a of 2, a of the value of a of 2 is nothing but 15, it get copied to a of 3, so it becomes 15. Again j minus minus, now the value of j get decremented, it becomes 1. We check whether value of t, what is value of t, 12, is it less than a of 1, what is a of 1, what is a of 1, 13. Okay, is it less than 13, yes. Again 13 gets swapped, again this 12 is compared with 4. So finally when we come out from this for loop, our entire array gets sorted. Okay, so this is the algorithm for insertion sort. Okay, uh, at the time of exam you may ask this algorithm, write algorithm for insertion sort, you can write this algorithm. Okay, or you can explain example with you can explain uh, if once at the time of exam you may ask this algorithm, write algorithm for insertion sort. Either you can write this pseudocode, or you can write steps in simple English with the help of one example. Is it okay for you how insertion sort works? Is it okay for you? It is again the most simplest sorting technique. Basically what happens, uh, what is the concept of insertion sort? In insertion sort, at every step element get inserted at its proper position. So initially 15, it becomes 15. Now 13 is compared with 15, it is less than, therefore it is placed before 15. Now we consider next element 4, 4 is compared with 15, it is less than, therefore it is inserted before 15. Again it is compared with 13, it is again less than 13, so it is inserted before 13. Now when we consider next element 12, 12 is compared with 15, it is inserted before 15. Again it is compared with 13, it is inserted before 13. Again it is compared with 4, but it is greater than 4, so it is placed in between 4 and 13, so it becomes like this and so on. Is it okay for insertion sort? Is it okay for insertion sort? Hello everyone. uh, so what do you mean by insertion sort? In insertion sort, every element is inserted at its step at its proper position. समजला इन्सर्शन सॉर्ट? इन्सर्शन सॉर्टचा कन्सेप्ट काय आहे तर बघा, प्रत्येक स्टेपला काय होतंय, एक एक एलिमेंट त्याच्या त्याच्या प्रॉपर पोझिशनला आपण इन्सर्ट करतोय. जर इन्सर्शन सॉर्ट समजला तरच तुम्हाला पुढं शेल सॉर्ट समजणार आहे. आणि विदिन अ 2 मिनिट अल्गोरिदम परत एकदा मी एक्सप्लेन करतो, त्यानंतर आपण लास्टचे आपलं सॉर्टिंग टेक्निक आहे शेल सॉर्ट. आय विल मूव्ह टुवर्ड दी शेल सॉर्ट. ओके. Initially suppose we have accepted this array a of 0, a of 1, a of 2, a of 3, a of 4. ओके. आता कोड कसा वर्क होतोय बघा, परत एकदा सांगतो कोड कसा वर्क होतोय. आता सुरुवातीला आपण काय करतोय, पहिल्या स्टेप मध्ये आपण काय करणार तर 15 ऍज इट इज लिहितोय. ठीक आहे, इथं काही प्रॉब्लेम नाही. आता खरं टेक्निक इथून चालू होईल. 13 कम्पेअर करतोय आपण 15 बरोबर, म्हणजेच काय होतंय तर इथं काय होतंय 13 येते, नंतर 15 येते. पुढे काय करतोय 4 कम्पेअर करतोय 15 बरोबर, परत लेस दॅन आहे 15 पेक्षा, परत 4 कम्पेअर करतोय 13 बरोबर, त्याच्यापेक्षा पण लेस दॅन आहे, म्हणून इथे येते 4, 13 आणि 15. आता हाच कोड कसा वर्क होतोय बघा, परत एकदा सांगतो. इनिशियली बघा आय इक्वल टू 1, इथं मी आय ची व्हॅल्यू जी आहे ना, ती आय ची व्हॅल्यू मी इथं लिहितो काय, आय इक्वल टू 1. ओके. परत काय केलंय, आय इक्वल टू 1, चेक करा आय लेस दॅन आहे का एन पेक्षा, 1 लेस दॅन आहे का 5 पेक्षा, येस कंडिशन ट्रू, म्हणून फॉर लूप मध्ये गेलो. आतमध्ये काय केलंय, टी इक्वल टू ए ऑफ आय, म्हणजेच आय ची व्हॅल्यू आहे 1, ए ऑफ 1 ची व्हॅल्यू टी ला असाइन झाली. ए ऑफ 1 ची व्हॅल्यू म्हणजे काय 13, टी ला असाइन झाली. टी मध्ये व्हॅल्यू किती आली, टी मध्ये व्हॅल्यू आली 13. ओके. आणि पुढे काय केलंय, जे सेट केलाय कितीला, आय मायनस 1 ला, आय ची व्हॅल्यू आहे 1, म्हणजे जे कितीला सेट झाला, जे सेट झाला 0 ला. ओके, जे सेट झाला 0 ला. आता चेक करा व्हाईल कंडिशन काय सांगते, वेदर टी इज लेस दॅन ए ऑफ जे, टी म्हणजेच काय 13, इज इट लेस दॅन ए ऑफ 0, ए ऑफ 0 ला काय 15. येस, म्हणजे ही ए ऑफ 1 ची व्हॅल्यू टी मध्ये घेतली. आपण चेक केले की बाबा टी ची व्हॅल्यू ही ए ऑफ जे पेक्षा लेस दॅन आहे का, येस. टी ची व्हॅल्यू म्हणजे काय 13, ही लेस दॅन आहे का ए ऑफ जे पेक्षा, ए ऑफ 0 पेक्षा, येस, म्हणजे ए ऑफ 0 पेक्षा ती लेस दॅन आहे. आणि दुसरी कंडिशन काय, जे वेदर इज इट ग्रेटर दॅन ऑर इक्वल 0, येस इट इज इक्वल टू 0, म्हणजे दोन्ही पण कंडिशन ट्रू आहेत. पहिली कंडिशन काय, टी म्हणजे ए ऑफ 1 ची व्हॅल्यू लेस दॅन आहे ए ऑफ 0 पेक्षा, ही पहिली कंडिशन. आणि दुसरी कंडिशन काय, वेदर द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ जे इज ग्रेटर दॅन ऑर इक्वल टू 0, येस ती 0 एवढी आहे, म्हणून दोन्ही कंडिशन ट्रू. इथं काय केलं, ए ऑफ जे प्लस 1 इक्वल टू ए ऑफ जे, म्हणजेच काय ए ऑफ 0, ए ऑफ 0 म्हणजेच काय 15, तो कुठं असाइन केला, ए ऑफ 0 प्लस 1 ला, म्हणजेच ए ऑफ 1 ला काय आलं, ए ऑफ 1 ला काय आलं 15 आलं, ए ऑफ 1 ला आलं इथं 15. ओके. त्यानंतर जे मायनस मायनस जे डिक्रीमेंट झाला, जे किती झाला -1. आता जे बिकम -1 परत व्हाईल लूप कंडिशन चेक करेल, बट आता दोन्ही कंडिशन ट्रू लागतात ना. आपल्याला माहिती आहे जे -1 म्हणजे ही कंडिशन फॉल्स आहे, कारण -1, नाउ व्हॉट इज द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ जे -1, इट इज नॉट ग्रेटर दॅन ऑर इक्वल टू 0, दॅट्स वाय वी कम आउट फ्रॉम दिस व्हाईल लूप. आणि खाली काय केले, ए ऑफ जे प्लस 1, म्हणजेच जे ची करंट व्हॅल्यू काय -1, -1 प्लस 1 0, ए ऑफ 0 ला काय असाइन केला टी, म्हणजेच ए ऑफ झिरोला असाइन केला टी, म्हणजेच तो आला इथं 13. बरोबर आहे का? समजली का पहिली स्टेप? ओके. आता सेकंड स्टेप मध्ये काय होत आहे की परत आय इन्क्रीमेंट होतं. आय वनचा किती झाला? 2 झाला. तुमचा आय किती झाला? 2 झाला. टी इक्वल टू ए ऑफ आय, म्हणजेच ए ऑफ 2, म्हणजे टी मध्ये किती आलं? 4 आलं. ओके. जे इक्वल टू आय मायनस 1, म्हणजे जे सेट झाला आपला 1 ला. आता परत चेक करा. वाईल ओके, वेदर टी इज लेस दॅन ए ऑफ जे, जेची व्हॅल्यू आहे 1, म्हणजे टी म्हणजे काय? 4. इज इट लेस दॅन ए ऑफ 1? 4. इज इट लेस दॅन ए ऑफ 1? म्हणजे 4 लेस दॅन आहे का ए ऑफ 1 पेक्षा, 15 पेक्षा? येस. अँड वेदर व्हॅल्यू ऑफ जे इज ग्रेटर दॅन ऑर इक्वल टू 0? येस इट इज. जेची व्हॅल्यू 1 आहे म्हणजे ती ग्रेटर दॅन ऑर इक्वल टू 0. दोन्ही कंडिशन ट्रू. आतमध्ये काय केलं? ए ऑफ जे प्लस 1 इक्वल टू ए ऑफ जे, म्हणजेच काय? ए ऑफ 1 असाइन केला ए ऑफ 1 प्लस 1, म्हणजे ए ऑफ 2 ला. ए ऑफ 1 असाइन केला ए ऑफ 2 ला. ए ऑफ 1 असाइन केला ए ऑफ 2 ला, म्हणजेच इथं काय आलं? इथं काय आलं? 15 आलं. ओके. परत जे मायनस मायनस जे डिक्रीमेंट झाला, जे किती झाला? 1 चा झाला आता 0. ओके. परत चेक करा. वेदर व्हॅल्यू ऑफ टी दॅट इज 4 इज इट लेस दॅन ए ऑफ जे? आता 4 लेस दॅन आहे का ए ऑफ 0 पेक्षा? येस, 4 लेस दॅन आहे ए ऑफ 0 पेक्षा. अँड वेदर व्हॅल्यू ऑफ जे इज ग्रेटर दॅन ऑर इक्वल 0? येस इट इज इक्वल टू 0. ए ऑफ 0 प्लस 1 इक्वल टू ए ऑफ 0, म्हणजेच ए ऑफ 0 असाइन झाला ए ऑफ 1 ला, ए ऑफ 0 असाइन झाला ए ऑफ 1 ला. इथं आला 13. जे मायनस मायनस जे becomes, again it becomes now -1. Again, when j becomes -1, this condition is true, but this condition is not true because j is -1. It is not greater than or equal to 0. We come out from this while loop. A of -1 plus 1, that is a of 0 ला t असाइन झाला, a of 0 ला t असाइन झाला, म्हणजे इथं झालं 4. In this way परत i increment होईल. i किती होईल? 3. परत it becomes 4. Finally, when we come out from this while loop, our entire array, it will get sorted. Is it okay for you? Is it okay for you? Insertion sort समजला का सर्वांना? Algorithm. Hello, Abha Singh, have you got the algorithm? Okay. Okay, fine. Now directly I am moving towards the shell sort. Okay, directly I am moving towards the concept of the shell sort. Okay, uh, our next concept is shell sort, the famous sorting technique, shell sort. Okay, uh, basically, when you consider insertion sort, if you are well familiar with insertion sort, then only you will be able to get familiar with the shell sort. Suppose in shell sort, these are the indices 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and suppose these are the elements. Suppose 55, then 22, then 11, then 9, and then suppose it is 7. Okay, so what about insertion sort? Uh, in if we, in order to sort these elements in the ascending order, when we make use of insertion sort. Okay, insertion sort apply केल्यानंतर we get sorted output, no doubt. But when we make use of insertion sort, we require so many number of shifting. Okay, just like जसं की इथं आता स्टेप 1 मध्ये आपण काय करतोय? पहिल्यांदा 55 ऍज इट इज. ओके, परत स्टेप 2 मध्ये आपण काय करतोय? 22 कम्पेअर करतोय 55 बरोबर. 22 लेस दॅन आहे का? येस, म्हणजे हे झालं शिफ्टिंग 22 55. ओके, नेक्स्ट स्टेप मध्ये काय करतोय? इन स्टेप 3. ओके, suppose there is 11 is compared with 55, again it is less than, again it get, there is shifting, again it is less than 22, again there is shifting. So 11, 22, 55. Again when there is step 4, in step 4 what happens? This 9 is compared with 55, it is less than, again there is shifting, again there is shifting, again there is shifting. So it becomes 9, 11, 22, 55, and there is the smallest element at the last. Again, it is compared with this, with this, with this, and with this. So there is shifting with 55, shifting with 22, shifting with 11, shifting with 9. So in step 5, in step 5, after shifting all these things, we get 7, 9, 11, 22, 55. So the fact is that when we make use of insertion sort, and if our smallest element is at the last, in order to sort the entire array, we require large number of shifting. So this is the drawback of insertion sort, and this drawback of insertion sort is get overcome by shell sort. Insertion sortचा ड्रॉबॅक समजला का तुम्हाला? ठीक आहे, इथं आता अरे आता 5 एलिमेंट्स आहेत. कन्सिडर सपोज दिस इज 4, 5, 6 and 7, and suppose there is one more element like uh, 0, -5, -9. Okay, so if you consider uh, if you consider this array, and if you apply insertion sort, then in this case we know the smallest element is at the last. So in order to sort this entire array, we require large number of shifting. Are you agree with this statement? Are you agree with this statement? My statement is, if our smallest elements are at the last, at that time, in order to sort this entire array using insertion sort, we require large number of shifting at each step. Are you agree with this statement? बरोबर आहे ना? आपल्याला जर इन्सर्शन सॉर्ट यूज करायचा असेल, या वी रिक्वायर सो मेनी शिफ्टिंग. सो वी आर हॅव्हिंग, in order to overcome this drawback, we are having the concept of insertion sort. तर insertion sort कसा वर्क होतोय, व्यवस्थित लक्ष द्या इकडं प्लीज. इन्सर्शन सॉर्ट मध्ये आपण काय करतोय? हॅव यू गॉट व्हॉट इज द ड्रॉबॅक ऑफ इन्सर्शन सॉर्ट? The drawback of insertion sort is, if smallest number is at the last, at that time we require larger number of shifting. Okay, so in order to reduce those number of shifting, we have the concept of shell sort. In shell sort, we first find out uh, we first in shell sort, first we are having the concept of gap. Okay, which gap? I think it is known as 1 second, I tell you. That gap is known as, I think you can say interval. Okay, interval gap. Okay, yes, interval gap. So I already have told what is the drawback of insertion sort. In insertion sort, if the smallest element is at the last, in order to sort entire array, we require large number of shifting. So in order to reduce the shiftings, we have the concept of shell sort. In shell sort, first we find out the important concept. It is known as interval gap. Okay, uh, interval gap. Okay, there are so many formulas in order to compute interval gap, but you have to remember the formula now, which I am going to tell. Okay, initially, suppose we are having number of element as n. So in first step you have to consider the value of interval gap as n/2. Okay, in second step, okay, here I write interval gap. Okay, directly here I write, mm, in step 1 you have to consider interval gap as n divided by 2. Is it okay? Okay. uh, Again, in step 2, in step 2, mm, Okay, you have to consider interval gap as n divided by 4, and in next step you have to consider it as n by 8 and so on. So in last step you have to consider interval uh, gap as n equal gap as 1. Okay, so at max at the time of exam, at max the size of array given you have is 8. So in first step you have to keep your interval gap as 8 by 2, that is 4. Then 8 by 4, that is 2. Then it becomes 1. Okay, so initially see what happens in this example. There are 8 elements. So just I remove okay the indices, or let it becomes as it is. So in this case the value, consider this example, the value of n equal to 8 because there are 8 elements. Okay, so what do you mean by interval gap? Basically, okay, so n equal to 8, that is there are 8 elements and these 8 elements are like this, suppose. Okay, so in first step, okay, mm, so in first step, basically what happens in step one, uh, okay, the value of interval gap equal to 4. Okay, that is this element is directly compared with element which is having gap of 4. That is this element 15. Okay, suppose I write 15 here. This 15 is directly compared with 1, 2, 3 and 4. This 15 is compared with uh, this 7. Okay, 15 is compared with this 7. Okay, then this 22. Okay, mm, for in first step, what is interval gap? 4. Okay, therefore uh, uh, 15, sorry, 55 it's compared with 7. Okay, uh, next this 22 it's compared with uh, 1, this is 1, 2, 3 and 4. This 22 is compared with 0. So this 22, um, this 22 is compared with here, uh, I write uh, 0. Okay, uh, so second, our second set is 22 is compared with uh, 0. Okay, next this 11 it's compared with um, -5. Okay, this 11 it's compared with here directly -5. This 11 it's compared with -5. Okay, and then this 9 is compared with this -9. This 9 is compared with this -9. Okay, so here this sorry, this 9 is compared with -9. Okay, so mm, this 15 is compared with 7, so it becomes uh, 7 and it becomes 55. Okay, then this 22 is compared with 0, therefore it becomes 0, it becomes 22. Then this 11 is compared with -5, it becomes -5 and it becomes 11. Okay, then 9 is compared with -9, so it becomes -9, uh, and then it becomes +9. Okay, so this is the array which is generated in step 1. Just I cut it and just I paste it here. Okay, so have you got, are you getting me or no, how I have got this array? Hello everyone, have you got what I have done in the first step? फर्स्ट स्टेप मध्ये काय केलंय, काहीच नाही केलेलं. सुरुवातीला काय केलं, एन ची व्हॅल्यू 8 आहे. मग पहिला इंटरवल गॅप किती आला इन स्टेप वन मध्ये मी काय केलं, इंटरवल गॅप फाइंड आउट केला. इंटरवल गॅप पहिला किती झाला, एन ची व्हॅल्यू 8 मी सांगितले तुम्हाला. स्टेप वन मध्ये पहिला गॅप किती कन्सिडर करायचा, 4. म्हणजे 55 कम्पेअर करा कोणाबरोबर, तर तिथून पुढच्या चौथ्या एलिमेंट बरोबर. म्हणजे दिस इज 1 2 3 4. ओके, म्हणजे 55 आणि 7चं कंपॅरिझन झालं. इथं आलं 7, इथं आलं 55. परत 22 परत कम्पेअर केला तिथून पुढच्या चौथ्या एलिमेंट बरोबर. 1 2 3 4. इट बिकम्स 0, इट बिकम्स 25 इन दिस वे. ओके, आता सेकंड स्टेप मध्ये काय करणार आहे मी, in second step what I am going to do, I am going to consider my interval gap. What is now interval gap? Okay, स्टेप वन मध्ये किती होता, 4 होता. आता तो परत म्हणजे निम्म्या निम्म्याने करायचा. म्हणजे स्टेप वन मध्ये एन ची व्हॅल्यू किती होती इनिशियली, 8. म्हणजे स्टेप वन मध्ये 4. स्टेप टू मध्ये किती आला तो, 4 डिवायडेड बाय 2. अगेन इट बिकम्स 2. नाव इट इज 2. म्हणजेच काय, तर 7 कम्पेअर करा कोणाबरोबर, त्याच्या पुढच्या दुसऱ्या एलिमेंट बरोबर. सो व्हॉट हॅपन्स in step 2, initially this 7 is compared with this -5. Okay, so it becomes -5, and it becomes, sorry, इथं 7 होता ना. ओके, आपण काय करू, इथं जर आय कन्सिडर केला, ओके, आणि जे कुठे घेऊ, इथं तिथून पुढचं सेकंड एलिमेंट. ओके, so I just write it Control C, and here I just write it Control V. Okay. Now 7 is compared with -5. It becomes what? -5, and it becomes 7. Okay. Uh, Again, this I get incremented. Okay. This, if this I and j is pointing to this 0 is compared with -9, so it becomes uh, -9, and it becomes 0. Okay, then um, this -5 is compared with uh, 55. This -5 is compared with 55. I think no need to swap, so it becomes how it 7 comes. Okay, once again I repeat step 2. In step 2, I keep my interval gap, it is equal to 2. Okay, therefore I just remove this I and j. First 7 is compared with what? This 7 is compared with -5. So it becomes what? -5, then uh, 0 -5, then it becomes 0. Okay, it becomes 7, and remaining element I write as it is. Okay, Control C, and here just I paste it as Control V. Okay, again, this 0 is compared with -9, so it becomes -5, it becomes -9, it becomes 7, it becomes 0, and uh, remaining array I write as it is, Control C, and this Control V. Okay, again, this 7 is compared with 55. I think no need to swap. Okay, again this 7 is compared with 55, no need to swap. So again this 0 is compared with 22, no need to swap. 55 is compared with 11, therefore obviously we have to swap it. It becomes -5. Then uh, it becomes -9. Okay, -5 -9, it becomes 7, it becomes 0, and now when 55 is compared with 11, it becomes 11. Okay, and it becomes 22 as it is, and it becomes mm, 55. Okay, now this it becomes 9 as it is. Okay, and now this 22 is compared with 9, so it becomes -5, then it becomes -9, it becomes 7, it becomes what 0, it becomes 11, it becomes now 22 is compared with 9, therefore it becomes 9, it becomes 55, and it becomes now 22. Okay, again for 55 we don't have any element which is far by interval gap 2. Now this is output of step 2 where we have placed the interval gap as 2. Now in step 3, in step 3, this is nothing but step 3. Now in step 3 we have to reduce our interval gap as it is equal to, now it becomes 1, and when interval gap we place it as 1, so directly we apply insertion sort. Okay, when we apply insertion sort this, okay, what it becomes, -5, it becomes as it is, then -9. Okay, it is nothing but -9. So -9 is less than -5. So it becomes -9, then -5. Then it becomes 7. Okay, when we get 0, 0 is compared with 7. So 0 is placed before 7. Then 11, it becomes as it is. Then 9, 9 is compared with 11, so it is placed before 11, it is greater than 9, so it is placed in between 9 and 11. So 55 as it is. Now 22, 22 is compared with 55, it is less than 55. Again it is compared with 11, it is greater than 11. So the thing is that when you get interval gap as 1, directly you have to apply insertion sort on this. Okay, where we require less number of shifting. So this is the concept of the shell sort. Are you getting, at least have you got the idea what about shell sort? Have you got the idea? इनिशियली फर्स्ट स्टेप मध्ये आपण काय करणार आहे, इनिशियली फर्स्ट स्टेप मध्ये काय करणार आहे, वी कीप आवर इंटरवल गॅप फर्स्ट स्टेप मध्ये किती असणार, इट इज इक्वल टू n/2. सेकंड स्टेप मध्ये किती असणार, म्हणजेच जर n ची व्हॅल्यू 8 असेल तर पहिल्या स्टेप मध्ये इंटरवल गॅप किती झाला, 4. प्रत्येक एलिमेंट कम्पेअर करायचा त्याच्या पुढच्या चौथ्या एलिमेंट बरोबर. ओके, मग जर स्मॉलर असेल मग या केसमध्ये काय होणार आहे, तो ड्रॉबॅक कसा ओव्हरकम होतोय बघा. आपली जी पहिली व्हॅल्यू होती आता -9 डायरेक्टली बघा ना, पहिल्यांदा काय झालं, 55 कम्पेअर झाला कोणाबरोबर, 7 बरोबर. ओके, डायरेक्टली 7 इथं आला आणि 55 इथं आला ना. ओके, व्हेन यू कम्पेअर 22 विथ 0, डायरेक्टली तो स्मॉलेस्ट एलिमेंट आहे तो म्हणजे प्रिव्हियस इंडेक्सला येतोय ना. दॅट इज वी आर रिड्युसिंग हिअर व्हॉट, दॅट इज हिअर वी आर ट्राइंग टू रिड्यूस नंबर ऑफ शिफ्टिंग. बरोबर आहे ना, कारण इन्सर्शन सॉर्ट मध्ये कसं होतं, स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर आहे तो स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर लास्टला होता. मग आपल्याला तो सॉर्ट करायचा आहे, मग त्यासाठी खूप सारे शिफ्टिंग लागणार होते. आता इथं आपण काय करतोय, 0th इंडेक्स वाला एलिमेंट चौथ्या इंडेक्स बरोबर कम्पेअर करतोय. मग चौथ्या इंडेक्सचा जर स्मॉलर असेल तर तो डायरेक्ट 0th इंडेक्सला जातोय ना. पहिल्या इंडेक्स वाला एलिमेंट आपण कम्पेअर करतोय फिफ्थ वाल्या इंडेक्स बरोबर. म्हणजे फिफ्थ वाला जर स्मॉलेस्ट असेल तर तो कुठल्या इंडेक्सला जातोय, डायरेक्टली इट गोज टू फर्स्ट इंडेक्स. दॅट इज हिअर आपण तो म्हणजे अलीकडे आणतोय ना. दॅट इज वी आर हिअर ट्राइंग टू रिड्यूस व्हॉट, नंबर ऑफ शिफ्टिंग. ओके, वी विल सी वन मोर एक्झाम्पल. आता इथं माझ्याकडे कसं ऍक्च्युअली डिजिटल पॅड नाहीये. डिजिटल पॅड असला असतं तर मी व्यवस्थित दाखवलं असतं. आता फॉर एक्झाम्पल इथं ना त्यांनी एक 1 सेकंड, आय शो यू with the help of one more example. Uh, suppose this is a radix sort. Okay, radix sort. In radix sort, suppose we have, yeah, no. So yesterday I have seen graphical representation of radix sort, and suppose I show you with the help of this graphical representation, you will be able to understand very easily. No, shell sort, not radix sort, it is shell sort. Okay, see this example. See, suppose this is the algorithm 35, 33, 42, 10, 14, 19, 20, 7, and 14. So, in first step, what happens? This 35 is compared with 14. So, it becomes 14, it becomes 35. 33 is compared with 19, it becomes 19, uh, and it becomes 33. Then 42 is compared with 27, it becomes 27, it becomes mm, 42, and this 10 is compared with 44, it becomes 10, it becomes 44 as it is. So this is the output of step 1. See, we will see 35, 33, 42, um, 35, 33, 42, 35, 33, 42, 10, 14, 19, 10, 14, 19, 10, 14, 19, uh, 10, 49, 27, 44, 27 and 44. So put this is the array. How many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again n becomes 8. So in step 1 what we are going to consider? In step 1 we are going to consider what? Interval gap equal to 4. Okay, that is we have to compare 35 with what? 35 with element which is uh, 4 place away from 35. That is 35 is compared with 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 35 is compared with 14. Directly you can set I and j like this. Suppose I set to 35, j where you have to set? You have to set it is uh, it is you can set it is now 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you set your j here. Okay. So it becomes what? It becomes what? I think 14. Yes. This 33 as it is, 42 as it is, 10 as it is, and this 35 comes here, remaining array as it is, 19, 27, 44. See, in first step, interval gap is 4. Therefore, this 35 is compared with 14. It becomes 14. It becomes 35. Okay. Again, now uh, 33 is compared with 19. So it becomes what? This 14 as it is, 33 with 19. So it becomes 19. It becomes 42, 10, 35, and it is now 33 remaining as it is, 27, 44. Okay. Again this I with 42, 42 with 27. So it becomes as it is, 14, 19, Now 42 with 27, it become 27, 10, 35, 33, and it is 42, and it is 44. And next is nothing but uh, 10, 10 with 44, no need to swap, so it becomes as it is, control C, and here control V. Okay, now uh, you have to move I till this element, because if you move I, there is no element four which is four place away from this. Therefore, you have to. This is the output of step one. Have you got? Have you got? See, 14, 19, 27, 10, 35, 33, 42, 44. Uh, 14, 19, 27, 10, 35, 33, 42, 44. Hello, are you getting me or no? Are you getting me or not? Step one. Now, in step two, what you have to do? In step two, what you have to do? Step one समजली. आता step two मध्ये काय करायचं? तर step two, you have to consider what interval gap, and now interval gap is of 2. Okay. Again, mm, 14 is compared with element which is two place away. That is, uh, if suppose I set I to this 14, where you have to set j, j कुठं सेट करणार तुम्ही? इथं 27 ला. ओके, म्हणजेच काय, 14 कम्पेअर झाला 27 बरोबर, इट बिकम्स ॲज इट इज. ओके, 14, 19, 27, then 10, 35, 33, 42, 44. ओके, 42 and 44. ओके, म्हणजेच आपण इंटरव्हल गॅप आता 2 आला ना, म्हणजे 14 कम्पेअर करा 27 बरोबर, इट बिकम्स ॲज इट इज. पुढं काय, आय शिफ्ट केला, 19 is compared with 10, so it becomes what, this 14 as it is, it becomes 10, it becomes 27, it becomes 19, remaining as it is, what, 35, 33, 42, 44. Next, in next step, what happens, this 9, oh sorry, this 9, 27 is uh, compared with 35. I think no need to swap. Okay, therefore it becomes as it is. This control C, and here I write this control V as it is. Okay, because 37 is already smaller than 35. Then in next step, what happens? This uh, 10 is compared with 33. No need to swap. Okay. Then this 35 is compared with 42. No need to swap. And this 33 is compared with 44. No need to swap. Now it is okay, because when you move I to next element, there is no element which is two place away. So I think this is output of step 2. This is output of step 2. Check it. Is it right or wrong? Hello everyone. Is it okay na? Hello everyone. Is it okay? Okay. And fine. And in third step, okay, we set interval, and our step 3, in step 3 we keep interval gap equal to, now what is the value of interval gap in this step? 1. And when we apply interval gap as 1, we have to apply insertion sort. So when we apply insertion sort, this 40, it becomes as it is. Then 10, 10 is compared with 14, it becomes 10, it becomes 14. 27 is already age is greater than 14, so it is placed after 14. Then 19, 19 is compared with 27, it is placed before 27, it is greater than 14, so it becomes 19, it becomes 27. 35 is greater than 27, so it is placed mm, uh, after 27. Then 33, when we consider 33, 33 is less than 25, it is placed before, again it is compared with 27, it is greater, so it is placed in between 27 and 35. It becomes like this. 42 already greater than 35. So therefore it becomes 42, it becomes 44. I think you are well familiar with shell sort. Is it okay? म्हणजे स्टेप 3 मध्ये काय करायचं, आपल्याला जेव्हा इंटरवल गॅप 1 येतो ना, when we write interval gap as one, directly आपला insertion sort apply करा. In which we do not require so many number of shifting, but directly if you try to apply insertion sort on this, we require so many number of shifting. Okay, but how you are reducing those number of shifting? Directly you are in step 1, directly this 35 is compared with this 14, so this 14 directly comes here and 35 comes here. Again you are comparing this 33 with 19, so directly smaller numbers, you are comparing with interval of 4, then interval of 2, obviously your number of shifting it will going to reduce. So in step 3 what you have to do, when you are having interval gap as 1, whenever you are having interval gap as 1, what you have to do, directly you have to apply insertion sort, in which you require less number of shifting. Is it okay for all? Is it okay for all? समजला शेल सॉर्ट कसा अप्लाय करायचा? ओके. आणि शेल, व्हॉट इज द पर्पज ऑफ शेल सॉर्ट? I want answer from Akanksha Shedge. What is the purpose of shell sort? Akanksha, are you able to hear me? Akanksha, Aditya Maskar. What is the purpose of this shell sort? Abhishek, to overcome disadvantage of insertion sort, avoiding number of steps. No, you can't say number of steps, to avoid larger number of shiftings. Okay, to reduce time. No, no, just. What is the purpose of shell sort? In insertion sort, we require more number of shiftings when if the smaller element is at the last. So in order to reduce this large number of shifting, we are having the concept of shell sort. In shell sort, what happens? Initially, we have given a number. In step 1, we first find out interval gap. In step 1, interval gap equal to n divided by 2. In next step, interval gap it is equal to n divided by 4, and so on. In last step, when your interval gap is 1, when your interval gap is 1, at that time what you have to do, you have to apply insertion sort. Is it okay for, or you want one more example? One more example. Okay, fine. Okay. Suppose these are the element 90, 55, 1, 54, 50, 65, minus 5, and suppose I write it as 4. Okay. Or plus 5. Okay. So in step 1, what happens? In step 1, what happens? We consider interval gap as, we consider uh, interval gap. What is the value of interval gap in step 1? Hmm. What is the value of interval gap in step 1? The first 4. Okay. Uh, that is, here I write, suppose I, this is 1, 2, 90 is compared with interval gap of 4, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 90 is compared with 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it is J. So it becomes 50, 55, 1, 54, 90, 65, minus 5, and plus 5. Again. This 55 is compared with 65. No need to swap. It is okay. 1 is compared with -5, and I think here we have to swap. So it becomes 50, 55. 1 is -5. It becomes -5, 54, 90, 65, and it becomes +1 and 5. Then uh, 55 with 4, uh, 55 with 5, it becomes 50, 55 minus 5, and this 5, 50, 65 minus 5, and it becomes 54. Is it okay? Is it output of step 1? Please just check it. Is it okay for all? Is it output of step 1? Be fast. Okay, fine. Now in step 2, in step 2, I just keep up uh, what interval gap equal to 2. Therefore, what happens? This I, and where is J now? J is to this. Okay. Uh, Therefore, mm, it becomes -5, 55, and it becomes 50, remaining as it is. 5, 50, 65, -5, 54. Okay. Next, this 55 is compared with 5. So it becomes what? -5, then 5, it becomes 50, it becomes 55.
Sir, you have one mistake.
What?
In step 1, third step, uh, there is no 1. 2 times -5. Step 1, last line.
What mistake? 50, 55, -5. काय झालं? काय प्रॉब्लेम कुठं आहे स्टेप 1 मध्ये?
Sir, take as a 54 instead of 54. No, 54 is also there.
5 is double, sir.
One. Take one. You have
-5 is double.
No, no.
forgotten to write
Fif-
one. Instead of 50, write 2 ones time 1.
Here, na?
Yes, in third stage, one
Here.
element is missing somewhere. One element is
But
missing somewhere.
I think I have to repeat the example. No.
No, sir.
9.
1 minute. You have to, you missed that to write one element 1.
But where is 1? Is it at which location 1?
-5.
-5.
Sir, -5. At the place of -5, you should written 1.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Yes.
yeah, 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 yeah. Okay, I think it is okay. Mm, okay, fine. Is it okay now? I think it is okay now.
Yes,
Yes.
sir. Yes, sir.
50, 55 -5. Yes, this 54. 54 is compared with 5, so it becomes 5. It becomes 54, and remaining element, it becomes 50. And what about 90? Where is 90? It becomes 90, no?
Yes, sir. Is there any problem? I think range is gone.
Okay, I hope ki you are well familiar with the technique because as usual, electricity problem, light has gone, and I hope you are well familiar with the technique. At least technique तरी तुमच्या लक्षात आलं का? Tomorrow we are having session of 2.5 hours because I am having my own lecture at I think 10:15. Okay, and we are having a practical session. So in tomorrow's lecture, I will continue with this topic. But I hope, are you familiar with this technique now? Have you got an idea how shield sort works? Okay. And tomorrow I am going to announce unit number this second. There are few theoretical concepts are remaining, like what do you mean by internal sort, what do you mean by external sort, what is sort efficiency, and what is sort stability. These are four theoretical concepts. Okay, sometimes you may have short note, write a short note on internal sort, external sort, sort stability, and sort efficiency. Okay, within a 10 to 15 minutes I would like to wind up these theoretical concepts. Okay, but have you got an idea of shell sort? Shell sort समजला ना काही म्हणजे कसा वर्क होतो? Any problem so far? So
Sir,
tomorrow,
if n is odd, then what to do?
sorry,
Sir, if n means that n number is odd, now we had taken 8, no?
No,
If it would be any odd number.
no, if suppose n is equal to 9, 4.5, so you have to consider in suppose there are 9 elements, n equal to 9. In step 1, what is the value of what is first interval gap? 4.5. That is you consider it as 4. म्हणजे 0th वाला एलिमेंट कोणाबरोबर कंपेअर करणार? 4th वाल्या बरोबर, 1 वाला 5th वाल्या बरोबर, 2 वाला 6th वाल्या बरोबर, सो ऑन. काहीच प्रॉब्लेम नाही. जरी 7 असतील तरी 3.5 म्हणजे 3 कन्सिडर करा. उद्याच्याला आपण जे एक्झाम्पल घेणार आहे ना ते आपण ऑडचं घेऊया एक्झाम्पल. जरी 9 असले तरी 4.5 म्हणजे 4 कन्सिडर करायचं इंटरवल गॅप. आलं लक्षात? हॅलो. Okay, tomorrow we will see such kind of the example. Okay, so I just stop here. याचं जे रेकॉर्डिंग आहे ते मी लाईट आल्यानंतर तुम्हाला रेकॉर्डिंग मला येईल, मी तुम्हाला मेलला सेंड करेल. ओके, थँक्यू.